Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Today I will be showing you how to clean your bathroom, actually your tub. When you have those dingy marks and dull stains on your tub. And we will be using natural products, yes. Natural products that we always use for everyday use, like baking soda, Dawn dish detergent, water. Let me show you my tub. Turn this around here, you can see it. This is my tub here. As you can see, those streaks in here. When I moved in here, that someone had like a mat down there and left those marks. But when I moved in here, I couldn't see it because they had painted over it. Yes, they painted over it. So, as I took many baths and showers, this was revealing. This came up. So now I am trying to get these marks out. As you can see, this little spot right here, I have started cleaning it and only using these products here. These are my products I use. I use Dawn dish detergent, baking soda, vinegar, and I'm just going to be using some water in this spray bottle. And I have my tools here, scrubbing brush, and this scrubbing tool. Okay guys, I will be back to let you see the before and after pictures. Welcome back to Explicit Wellness. Okay, this is my tub. I let the vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn dish detergent sit overnight. And I had to use more baking soda as I was working. The baking soda is really what does the job to get that grime and soap and old adhesive off the tub. So now I'm getting ready to rinse, and I will be back to show you my results. Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, I have rinsed my tub out, and I love it, you all. That baking soda, Dawn dish detergent, and vinegar is the bomb. Let me show you my results. As you can see, it's clean and sparkling. I love it. Probably about one more coat, it really would have done the job, but it really did do the job. Yes. No more harsh chemicals that are not good for us, and we're inhaling them, and even the best of the best, you all, chemicals are not good for us, and sometimes they don't even get our tub clean. But you can use this product in your toilets, on your sinks, whatever in your house. It's a natural chemical and it's not harsh. So I will be back.